Hi, my name is Kuljit Kaur. My student ID is 303777458. Today I would like to discuss week 8 Sahana production planning for in lab task. There are 5 activities. The first activity is display stock requirement list. In this activity, I use the app monitor stock requirement list. When I type this in search box and press enter, this window is shown, and in the material field I click on the material field. After click on the material field, this dialog box is opened. In this dialog box I put the material type, material description and material unique number 101 and press continue. After this window is shown. In this window I double click on the Dulux Touring Bike Black. When I double click on this window is shown. In this window I check the available quantity for black bike, 250 quantity, and same task of perform. Go to the back and double click on the red and silvers and check the quantities of red and silver bikes. I checked the red and silver quantities 00. Second activity is display bill of material. In this activity, I use the app maintain bill of material, create, change and display. When I type this and press enter, this window is opened. In this window, I put the value in the material field and plant field and click on the go button. When I click on the go button, this the inside information is shown. Deluxe touring bike black, and press the click on the enter. When I clicked on the enter, this window is shown. In this window, the last TRW Tarawa 11. When I click on this, the next dialog next window is shown. In the third activity, display multi-level bill of material, I use the app multi-level BOM and press enter. After this window is shown, and fill the value in the material field and plant field and BOM application and press enter. This information is shown: description, materials, base and required quantity, and click on the view. When I click on the view, this window is shown. In this window, select the variable list and press continue. After this information automatically shown. The fourth activity is display routing. In this activity, I use the app display routing and press enter. When I press enter, this window is shown, and fill the value in material and plant and click on the execute. And when I click on execute, this dialog box is opened. In this dialog box, set the lot size 10 value and press continue. When I press on the continue, this window is shown. In this window, check the sequence of 0090. And the last activity is display work center. In display work center, I use the app display work center, and this window is shown. In this window, where fill the value in the plant work center ASSY1000 and click on the go button, and basic data shown inside. And when I click on the default values, I click on the default value, go down and press the form. When I press the form, the same window is shown, and when I click on the formula, uh, this window is shown in the formula, and set the values of the operational quantity, base quantities and number of split setup level. All the value is set, and click on the calculate formula. This is when I click on calculate formula, the values are calculated and shown this dialog box. And this is the last activity. Thank you.